Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to car controller course. In this course, we will make a simple car controller game and give movement to the car through coding. So in this video, I will tell you about Unity tabs and Unity interface. So let's start. So simply open Unity Hub, create a project in Unity Hub. Here my Unity Hub is opened. Click on this new button, this arrow, 2019. Select 2019 software which we download in previous video. Select 3D and name it car controller. And click on create. Here you can select your location where you want to save this project. Click on this create button. It will load some files and after loading files it will open. So here my Unity is open. Here is the interface of Unity. So today video we will talk about these tabs like scene tab, game tab, project tab, hierarchy tab and inspector tab. So we first talk about hierarchy tab. In our hierarchy tab, all things which are used in our game scene, like in this scene we are using main camera and directional lights, so this scene is made. When main camera and directional are combined, a scene is formed. Here is camera which is showing this game scene. You can see that in our game tab, this is the scene which is used by this camera. If I change the color of this to solid, you can see that the game tab color also changed. So the things which are used in our game scene are placed in this tab. Now we will talk about project tab. In our project tab, all extra things like animations, prefabs, materials, colors, physical materials are placed in this tab. Right click on this, create, and all the things which are lies in this list are placed in this tab like C# script, shader, testing, playables, our animator controller, physical material, our material, simple material. It's mean all our scripts and materials are placed in this tab. Now we will talk about inspector tab. In our inspector tab, the properties of a game object is shown in this tab. Like I click on main camera and all the properties of main camera will be shown in this tab. You can see it have a component of camera and audio listener. If I disable camera component, it can't render anything in the scene. So every object have at least one component in its inspector tab. So this is the inspector tab. Now we will talk about scene or game tab. In our scene tab, we edit all the things lies in our game. Like I edit my directional light by rotating its transform. You can see there is a change in our game tab. It's dark. So here in our scene tab, we can change the transform of our main camera, directional lights and other things like player, enemies and etc. And the things which are edited are shown in this game tab, which are the actual game. When we download any game from Play Store, you can see the screen of game. That screen is actually the game tab screen. I maximize it. You can see it. Example, if I create a simple cube in our hierarchy tab, you can see it in our, I edited it, reset and cube reset. I move it to back and now you can see the cube in our game scene. We will make our game in scene tab and we will play it in our game tab. So this is the scene tab, game tab, hierarchy tab, project tab, inspector tab. I suggest you to change layout like this. Go to this layout button, click on tall, and then set the drag this game tab to down, drag up, drag right, and then in our project tab click on three dots and click on one column layout. So in this system you can see that drop down system will be appeared. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit bell icon for notification, and I see you next time.